As you are aware, it is through my intervention that the county government of Kisilet Shabana used the stadium as it is home ground after years of being kept out of the stadium. The free of charge use of this facility allowed the team to raise funds for upkeep through gate collection throughout the season, and the gesture has indeed borne fruits. I can tell you they used to correct when we gave them around 100,000 per match. Ambayo ilikuwa ni pesa ndogo sana. Pesa ambao walipata nyingi ni wakati tulikuwa hapa na baba. Tuliwapea 1.5 million. Ndiyo iliwasukuma. Lakini kutoka wakati huo sasa, yule sponsor ambaye nimesoma amekubali kwamba atawapea shilingi milioni 20. Na mimi kando na hiyo, na mimi mwenyewe nataka niangalie, natafuta wahisani wengine wazuri. Ikishindikana kupatikana pesa ya kutosha wangwana, kwa sababu nasikia kuna wachezaji wanataka kununuliwa. Tafadhali usikubali kununuliwa. Kaa na sisi. Ukiwa na shida wewe nitafute mimi. Hata kama ni mshahara yangu nitapea wewe, as long as Shabana isimame. Ama vipi? As part of my agenda in upholding talent development in the county, we are set to give the Gusii Stadium a major facelift to continue hosting soccer and other sports events. In this regard, we are launching the renovation of Gusii Stadium today for Shabana FC to host its KPL matches. Beside, my administration is embarking on a talent scouting and nurturing program to help build a sustainable reserve for the best sportsmen and women to feed our local sports teams as soccer and other disciplines too. Finally, it's important to note that I have been away on an official trip to China, where I made a series of engagements with multinational and agencies who are ready to come down and invest here in Kisii County. And I want to repeat, we will, and I want to just borrow the words of my deputy. He said, how we wish we just get to 1 out of 100 of China. I traveled with them, my MCAs, close to 50. Those ones who didn't travel is because kama mzee mnyenye anaogopa ndege. Mzee mwenyenye, si ndio? Anaogopa ndege, ndio sababu hakutravel. Those are the people I left behind, but all of them, they wanted to travel. I traveled using my own money, just for my MCAs to see how people, they are disciplined, how people, they are determined. A country of 1.4 billion people, you can't get anybody who is idle. People who took deliberate steps. Today, they are the leading. They are refusing completely to be called a developed country. They are developing. And those people, I can tell you, Engoro, a tunnel, a train, nani yule Murachi, ilikuwa inaenda kwa speed gani? 350 per kilometer per hour. Inapita ndani ya tunnel for 30 minutes. Simba echomba chete wakana chisese. Actually, can I tell you, my deputy said, if it's the case, if it's the dogs those people ate and they transform their country, we can even eat all the dogs. We must change our mindset. We must stop to trivialize development. We cannot afford to fight, to quarrel, to squabble for 5 good years. We must put a stop. It's a deliberate effort that we must put in place. We did not ask them, a police officer on the road. Because people, they are disciplined.